It's about 1:30 in the morning. I just got home from work. I've already started to shovel the driveway, but I'm gonna try to get this done so I don't have to do it tomorrow. It's supposed to keep snowing, but at least I'll have most of it done. Here's behind the cars. So I just gotta do this here. Not too bad. Normally I focus here behind the cars, but I also want to get a nice pathway here down the sidewalk, space out front here of the driveway as well, but also always want to make sure you get a spot for your mailman. All the way down the sidewalk. In the front of our driveway, I never concern myself too much with all of this extra stuff here. I really just make pathways to where we need to go. Pathway here, passenger side, also where the kids get in, and then a pathway here around to the driver's side door, and then obviously the porch. But about 2 minutes after I was done with this, a snowplow came by and pushed everything back in, so I had to shovel it all over again. Now I know he was just doing his job, but so now I'm out back on our deck. I'm shoveling a pathway for our dogs. Already started a little bit here. I was gonna make a little pathway out, down the stairs, and out in the yard a little bit for them to go to the bathroom. I got a portion of the deck done, enough for a walkway for the dogs to get down these decently shoveled stairs, and then just a little pathway around, just a little loop. I was gonna do all that, but I got kind of tired, so at least they have a little loop to walk around. It's about 2:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna just head to, wait a second. Huh, that's weird. Oh well. I'm gonna go to bed now. What's up everybody, welcome back to the Family Young Vlogs. Guys, right now we are in the middle of a snowstorm. We already have about 8 inches, we're expecting about 18. I will keep you updated on that. We also have a kitchen update for you. And then also Maxie wants to take like a Valentine's Day / 6-month photo shoot of the quads. So also you get to see a sneak peek of that. And also some other things. Let's go. What's up here? What you guys watching? Dinosaurs.
I was too scared. I watch TV. I don't want TV.
So it started sleeting for about 2 hours or so. Made everything nice and heavy and wet. Wow, white balance. There we go. So now it's kind of snowing again, but still some sleet. You can hear it. Just making everything really wet and heavy, which is just great. It's perfect for shoveling. Perfect for driving. It's my favorite kind of weather, really.
Girly, it's a snowy day. But you have no idea. What's happening? Hi. What are you doing? You playing? You getting it? Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh. You pooping?
Silas, do you want to go on the floor? Stretch out? How about let's go on the floor? What's up, Bubba? He's chilling. Stretching out. Stretching out. Kitchen update. We painted the walls. I hope that you can tell in this video. Oh, but it's like a gray. I'm not sure if you could tell the difference between this wall and that. I think
Taupey gray.
Taupey? I'm not sure what that means, but it's a taupey gray. But it's like a light gray. Here, you should be able to see the difference between the ceiling and this, but that's what the whole kitchen is going to be. Or is rather. I just have a couple spots that I have to fill in. And then on Wednesday, we are getting the backsplash done. all along these spots up here around the window as well. Do it in like a subway tile all along here. That's why there's no paint. Very, very exciting.
Your arms as big as you can. Good job. Let's take a break, then count some more. Come on, friends. Let's count again.
Snow update. It's snowing so much you can hardly even see the flakes at this point. But they are huge flakes. See if I can catch one. Okay, look at that. That's how big the flakes are. Huge. Yep, these bushes are covered. These sit about 10 to 12 inches high, so now we're looking at about 8 inches still, I suppose. But I'm gonna have to shovel again. But thankfully I shoveled last night because it's not gonna be as difficult, so let's go. All right,
No.
me and the boy shoveling the driveway.
No.
You ready?
No.
Didn't think so. Okay, the snow has slowed down a bit. I'm speaking quietly because the babies are sleeping. We are done shoveling the driveway. I'm sure we'll have to do it again because it's still snowing. But as of right now, I'm gonna get some painting done. In the corners mainly. Hanging this thing. So we're gonna hang that right up on this wall. Putting this little shelf here. So where that is right next to the back door there. We're putting it up against there, and it's gonna be like a coffee bar type thing. Maxine has an idea for what it's gonna be, but then we're gonna hang that thing that I just showed you up top here, and have mugs hanging from it and stuff up top. So we need to make sure it's really strong because it's gonna have some weight on it. So, let's get to it. I guess I can't use the audio in this one. And this is the somewhat final shot. It's gonna look something like that. We're not 100% sure yet if we're gonna have the mugs hanging or not. That looks pretty nice. And then we have an espresso machine. It doesn't have all the parts on it yet, but that's what it's gonna look like.
You chipped the floor.
So it's gonna look something like that.
Think we should hang the coffee sign or leave it simple like that?
No, I think the coffee sign would look nice up there.
Okay. Grab it, let's see.
I'll hold it up. Where is it?
There. I don't know, I think that's like a totally different style. No, not like that.
No? Where?
Like off center.
Like over here? Like there? Yeah. Snow update. It's about 5:30 right now, and we have already gotten our maximum of 18 inches, I'm fairly certain, mainly because of what it looks like here on our deck. If you look in that one spot, it's halfway up the railings. and the railings are 36 inches, that would be 18 inches, but I don't think it's quite 18 inches yet. So maybe we're just about to hit the maximum, but we're supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow until tomorrow. I have a feeling we're gonna go more than those 18 inches. Maybe 2 feet. We will see. But it's a good thing I have Aiden to help me shovel.
I wish the snow could just be here and then disappear tomorrow.
Time for dinner. Just kidding, not yet. Not sure if you can read that. Maybe at that angle. But it's a spinach and cheese ravioli. Ooh, looking yummy. Okay, so all the kids are enjoying dinner.
Yep.
Yep. Eating a little bit of that ravioli. Also, don't mind the mess. It's from all the painting and spackling and stuff from the kitchen. Yummy. By the looks of your face, it looks yummy. Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna end it there. See you guys next time.